Okay, hello everyone. In this episode, as I have told you, we will be focusing on the oceanography and the biodiversity of the Black Sea, and we will interview as well with one of the PIs of the Breach Black Sea project, Dr. Hasan Örek. So, Dr. Örek, can you first just introduce yourself to us, please?
Okay, hi. My name is Hasan Örek. I am biological oceanographer, but in 10 years I am also responsible of scientific cruises of the institute. So basically I'm a scientific coordinator of the research vessels, and in parallel I am also conducting my own research interests.
So actually you are the main brain actually behind the design of our station network, and we are also, as you know, trying to align our sampling points with the other countries. So in that regard, can you please tell us how did you design the station grid? I mean, which special features of Black Sea oceanography did you consider, and can you a little bit describe us how we selected our sampling points?
Okay, first of all, before we start this project, of course, we have a series of historical data sets from the Black Sea, from ourselves and from the partners. So first we check all this data, and we did a synthesis of this data and decide which parts are important for the projects and also for the climate change as well. So how we design it, actually the station network is here. So we have two pilot sites. So one is here around Istanbul and Bosphorus, and the other one is in around Sinop, which is more or less in the middle Black Sea. And there is another important part which located in the eastern part, which there is a very important eddy occurring in this area, which boosts the production in the Black Sea, especially in the eastern Black Sea. So we have some station networks located here. And the other important part is the northwestern gyre, which we are aiming to distinguish the climate change effects on the deeper waters of the Black Sea, and which is quite offshore. So theoretically it does not affect of any anthropogenic impact. So it is important to have data from here, both for the climate change and the other ecological changes in the Black Sea. So we have quite dense station network in two pilot sites, and there is a relatively dense station network around Batumi Gyre.
Yeah. So in the previous episode, I have tried to describe a little bit chemical sampling, oxygen sulfide. So how about biological samples? How do we track the productivity and biodiversity of the Black Sea, and what sort of new approaches Breach Black Sea is employing?
Okay, beside the standard sampling like nutrients and zooplankton and phytoplankton, we are doing some eDNA samplings, which will provide additional information about the biodiversity of the Black Sea pelagic ecosystem. And then in summer we are planning to sample also the benthic ecosystem to recover almost all pelagic and benthic ecosystem of the Black Sea. And by doing these things, of course, it is important to have both basic and detailed information. So to increase our data coverage, we have underway systems on the vessel. So we are measuring carbon dioxide, pH, and also always measuring the surface temperature, salinity, and chlorophyll fluorescence. Beside these on-track underway data, we have also nice instrument called ScanFish, which is towing behind the research vessel, and it samples almost every half second. It measures temperature, salinity, chlorophyll fluorescence, turbidity, oxygen amount, CDOM, phycocyanin and phycoerythrin, which these two pigments corresponds to cyanobacteria. And so this instrument doing an undulation like a yo-yo movement behind the ship, and you can see the track of the instrument, which is measuring all the parameters actually. So this will increase the coverage of the area. So what makes it, for example, within a 100-kilometer area, you might have 10 stations, but with this method you can sample almost 10 to 50 times more detailed profiles in one transect. So what gives us actually, what we are doing, we measure everything on the stations, so we know how these parameters distributed and how much they are, or how they interact with each other. And by doing the ScanFish, so we can interpolate these properties within a larger area with much more precision than interpolating 10 points on 100-kilometer track. So this will give very detailed information about the Black Sea, especially in pilot areas, which allow other people who are interested to do further research or doing alternative projects in this area. So they might have a real, very detailed, basic information in these areas.
Okay, thank you very much, and let's hope the weather will improve soon, and we'll be able to complete the rest of our station grid. So thank you, and thank you everyone, and catch you later in the next episode. Hopefully from the sea this time.
Yeah.